Hey there, have you ever wondered why you feel weaker, keep stumbling, or struggle to get up from a chair even though you're eating right, exercising, and taking your supplements? You might be experiencing something called sarcopenia. And trust me, it's far more common than most people realize, especially if you're over 60. Sarcopenia isn't just normal aging, it's when your muscles shrink faster than your body can rebuild them. Think of it like this. Your muscles are slowly disappearing, even if you can't see it, and it makes everyday tasks like carrying groceries or climbing stairs feel like climbing a mountain. Recent research shows that seniors can lose up to 40% of their muscle mass in just 1 year if no action is taken. That's almost half your strength gone in 12 months. That's why in today's video, I'll reveal 5 powerful foods you should add to your breakfast tomorrow and every morning if you want to stop muscle loss. One of them is so effective that traditional Chinese doctors recommend it for older adults. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to feel strong and confident again. But before we dive in, I want to hear from you. Where are you watching from? And what muscle loss challenges have you been facing? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. I'm Dr. Jocelyn Carter, and over the last 5 years, I've treated hundreds of seniors struggling with sarcopenia and age-related muscle weakness. I've seen firsthand what works, and today I want to share it with you. And ever wonder what's happening inside your muscles while you sleep? It's not magic, it's biology. Overnight, your muscles go through a 2-step repair and growth process. During the day, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. That might sound scary, but these tears trigger muscle growth. Overnight, your body sends healing cells to repair those fibers, making them thicker and stronger. Here's the catch. This repair process can't happen without the right fuel, and a huge portion of it depends on what you eat for breakfast. If your morning meals are off, you're literally robbing your muscles of their gains. Before we talk about the foods that build muscle, let's start with what not to eat. These 5 breakfast staples are quietly destroying your strength. 1. White bread. White bread is fast, convenient, and most seniors eat it daily. But here's what happens. It breaks down into sugar almost immediately, spiking your blood sugar and forcing your body to release insulin. High insulin at the wrong time blocks your muscles from using protein, essentially locking your muscle building factory. Then, when your blood sugar crashes, your body starts breaking down your own muscles for energy. I once treated Margaret, 62, who had been eating 2 slices of white toast every morning for years. She struggled to climb stairs, carry groceries, and even get out of a chair without using her arms. 2 weeks after removing white bread and switching to muscle-friendly foods, she started regaining strength. Within a month, she felt like she had her 40-year-old body back. 2. Coffee on an empty stomach. Morning coffee first thing? It may wake you up, but it's a silent muscle killer. Caffeine triggers a surge of cortisol, your stress hormone. Without food in your stomach, your body thinks it's in survival mode and breaks down muscle tissue for energy. Even eating protein later won't fully turn on your muscle-building hormones for hours. I remember James, 62, who drank 6 to 8 cups of coffee before eating anything due to his hectic work schedule. His muscles weakened, he got exhausted, and daily tasks became nearly impossible. After adjusting his diet and caffeine timing, he regained strength, energy, and even started coaching his grandson's baseball team again. 3. Processed meats, bacon, sausage, deli meats. You might think bacon or sausage is protein-rich, but here's the hidden danger. Nitrates and nitrites in these meats convert into inflammatory compounds called nitrosamines, which flood your muscles, triggering inflammation and breaking down fibers. I treated Sarah, 67, who ate bacon and sausage daily for years. Her muscle strength was declining despite exercise. After removing processed meats and adding muscle-friendly breakfasts, she regained confidence, carried groceries effortlessly, and even started ballroom dancing again. 4. Oatmeal with skim milk. Oatmeal and skim milk are marketed as heart-healthy. But here's the problem. Removing fat from milk also removes the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K your muscles need. Skim milk also leaches calcium and magnesium from your muscles to process incomplete protein. Dorothy, 69, ate steel-cut oats with skim milk daily for 15 years, and her muscles were quietly wasting away. Switching to whole milk and the right breakfast foods transformed her energy, strength, and independence. 5. Refined cereals. Refined cereals, even fortified ones, contain incomplete proteins and anti-nutrients like phytates that block absorption of amino acids from other foods. Your muscles end up starving for building blocks, forcing your body to cannibalize itself. Harold, 71, ate Raisin Bran with skim milk every morning for over 20 years. After switching to a breakfast with complete proteins and healthy fats, he regained the strength to craft furniture and rebuild his woodworking projects. Now, the good news, here are 5 foods to reverse muscle loss, restore strength, and help you feel 40 again. 1. Plain Greek yogurt. 20 grams of high-quality protein per cup, 2.5 grams leucine to switch on muscle protein synthesis. Add nuts or berries for healthy fats and antioxidants. Eat within 30 minutes of waking up. 2. Eggs. Complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, rich in vitamin D for protein absorption. Scrambled, poached, or soft-boiled with healthy fats. Eat whole eggs, not just whites. 3. Avocado. Packed with healthy fats and potassium for proper muscle contraction. Boosts testosterone and growth hormone production. Protects muscles from oxidative stress. Pair with eggs or yogurt for best results. 4. Lean meats, turkey, chicken. High-quality complete protein. Creatine and B vitamins enhance muscle repair. 4-ounce servings provide 35 grams of protein and strong leucine signal. Cook gently, pair with healthy fats. 5. Nuts and seeds. Provide plant-based protein, magnesium, and zinc. Reduce inflammation and supercharge enzyme activity for muscle building. Add 1 ounce nuts plus 1 teaspoon seeds to yogurt or eggs. Soak overnight for better absorption. I know it's tempting to go back to white bread, sugary cereals, and coffee. Change is hard, but here's the truth. Small adjustments to your breakfast can completely reverse muscle loss. You don't have to feel weak or dependent. Margaret, James, Sarah, Dorothy, and Harold all transformed their lives by making simple, consistent changes. And so can you. Your muscles can rebuild, your energy can come back, your independence can be restored. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments, especially which breakfast food surprised you the most. Where are you watching from? What's your biggest muscle loss challenge? I reply to every comment personally. Remember, age isn't the end of vitality. By choosing the right foods and timing, you can regain strength, comfort, and confidence in your body. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll reveal a secret technique that boosts leg strength by over 30% without extra exercise, only for my subscribers. Don't miss it. Stay strong, stay confident, and take care of yourself. Dr. Jocelyn Carter.